Oh, what up? What's up? How's it going? Are we all ready for this? I would like to think so, but let's see. No, I'm joking. We got this. Okay, let's see. Making sure everything is good to go. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? I feel like I'm missing something. Will to live. No, that's there. No, I'm joking. I'm just messing around. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. Just something to check my ping. Make sure that it doesn't go cray-cray. Not really like I can do much when it does, but it just gives me an idea of what you guys are having to deal with on your side of the world. Let's see. I mean, it's not great right now, but being the keyword, I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, so this setup that I actually liked quite a bit would have failed quite badly. Cool, noted. That's not great. Okay, let's get confirmation with today's moves. Let's get confirmation with today's moves. I mean, that one would have been awesome. Oh well. Had a good win this morning. Can't complain about that. Now, we do indeed have... Hey, Bob, what's up? I did and didn't read the message you just sent me. I'll have a proper look now as soon as I'm done. I was just getting everything set up, but I'll have a proper read as soon as I'm done. Are you ready for the day, Bob? I'm like 600 and something rand away from passing this eval, which on one hand I'm like, ooh, pressure's on. The other hand, I'm like, whatever. At this point, an eval's an eval. Hey, Rob, what's up? How's it going? How goes it? Here's London low. I don't know why I pressed space, but anyways. And opening was actually London high. I'll make it around here though. London high, awesome. Sauce. Okay, back to being focused. Y'all.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I don't know why I'm saying y'all. I'm learning from Bob. No, I'm joking. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, so, okay, we're actually stuck in a little bit of a chop. That's not what you want to... Oh, but it's because there's a bunch of news at 9:45 and at 10. Okay, dagnabbit. It's most likely then going to be hands off until both of these are done. Are these big red folder things going on? Thanks. Gosh. Oh my word. Thanks, Bob. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Bob, you must see my P&L for the week is nearly 1,500 rand, which I know it's not a lot for some people, but for me that's pretty decent. If I put the correct amount of contracts in from the beginning, I probably would have passed. You know what? It doesn't matter. It now just means that only A like plus setups going forward, especially with this New York session. I am most likely going to wait until, well, let's see. Let's see what the price action brings. Maybe it looks amazing at open and you don't want to touch it after the news. Alec, you started 5 prop accounts yesterday. Damn, that's nice. Not training today, driving Uber to remind myself value of $1. Hey, Rob, that's kind of cool though. Wait, are you driving right now? If you are, why are you on your phone? I don't mean to sound like a mom, but just like, I scalped 33 trades yesterday, which is the most I've ever done. Damn, Lee, were they green? Was it a good day? Hey, all in one, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? Stop, Jody. How's it going? Why are you doing this instead of trading with your own money? What, doing a prop? Is that what you're saying? Jody, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. You're driving right now? Why are you on your phone, Rob? Yeah, I'm sounding very mommy-ish. I'm so sorry. You do you. Yes. Yeah, Jody, 3K, so 600 and something dollars short of passing. All in one, like you're playing a trading game, but not doing the real thing with your own money and making your own profit. Okay, all in one, we could have a bit of debate about that one. No. So I haven't even been trading a year yet. I think prop firms are a really nice way for beginner traders to get started in this trading world, because you are going to make a lot of mistakes, and a lot of people, like myself, don't have like 2K to just blow. I believe once you are profitable say that fast 5 times. Anyways, I believe once you are properly profitable, you can then start to trade your own money. But before then, until you know how to handle your emotions, until you know how to handle your psychology, until you know how to handle your risk management, I do believe, in my personal opinion, that prop firms are the way to go. I think once you've successfully passed, like, what, 3 evals? Let's give or take, maybe even 1, you know, depending on who you are as a person, I think then you're ready to just go for it. But before then, again, just personally, I believe it's a good way for beginner traders to not just blow through all their capital and then they're stuck, then they're not going to be able to trade. And I think that is partly the reason why only 90% of people succeed when 90% of people fail when it comes to trading. Lee, yeah, end of the day up 36%. Oh, what? Get to the 3K target more emotionally, I'll go to stop feeling. Just remember, a loss is just a temporary setback. I know, Bob, that's the thing that's kind of going through my head now. So I must keep reminding myself about that, because I'm gonna feel so gloomy, benoony. That wasn't English, but we're going with it. When there is a little setback, as we call it, but I must remind myself it's all part of it, right? Losses are part of trading. It's not always going to be green days. That's just how it is. When you pass, what's the point? Anyways. Got a lead info from action. This a massive distraction. All in one again. I want only. Oh, hey Zuzu, what's up? After future flow trading, you can start with $10. Take 10 times leverage and have 100 in trade. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Leverage, leverage, no. As easy as it is to earn a lot of money, you can very quickly lose all of it. Sorry, all in one. I'm not meaning to like disagree with you. It's just where I am right now. Maybe it's working for you and that's amazing. I believe each and every single person has their own, I'm gonna sound so philosophical right now, but we're going with it. Each and every person has their own journey. No, not just in life, but yeah, I guess in life as well, but trading journey in specific. And everyone's gonna find things they prefer. I know, I don't think DJ's here, but DJ is, well, he loves his metals. I've tried to trade metals, not so much. Hey! Hendringlehart. What? Henry? No? Oh my gosh. That's it's hurting my brain trying to decipher where things are. I'm gonna call you Henry. What's up, Henry? How's it going? Not everyone got the sugar honey. Sugar honey iced tea is the way to do it. I'm just like. Got some cohorts for Jody today. Witcher. Can I just say, I saw what you posted on the Discord. I think I would rather choose death. How are you not dead? Are you just staying inside the whole day? Because it's not okay. That weather is not okay. Oh, thanks, Suze. I appreciate that. I got 690 off season. 690 marked out for some reason. Questions? See them on my yeah, tell him, Bob. Except I don't know if mine are very accurate, Bob. It sounds like me and you have some different levels going on right now. Maybe mine are a little bit off. Are mine not accurate? You can have, yeah. Out of curiosity. Anyways, we have how long? 4 minutes to go. Are we ready, steady? Sorry, I feel like this is necessary. I'm feeling a little bit, but it's okay. Anyways, what up, everyone?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Our levels are off just a bit. How much is just a bit? I know it is. I know it was a little bit off. I did see it tapped in here. This was like something. Okay, maybe it's not bad, right? How far off are they? I mean, this one is at 2547.50. Oh shoot! I didn't even mark out 30 points properly here, Maya. You absolute nitwit. Yes, I said nitwit. I haven't marked these out. What is wrong with me? Why am I marking them out like a chop? I haven't put the levels on. What? 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 There we go. Unless I move them. Good actual grief. Anyways, okay, I'll have to just redo these. Go have fun. I took 5 minutes out of my day and hopped in. Voice chat and your ass never showed up. Chopper's more family friendly. I love that, Jordy. But also, oh, Jordy, you in trouble. Hey, Shuman, what's up? What's up? How are you? Humanity, like humanity. I can't. Was that the point? Was that the pun? The pun intended? I'm not focusing. How long have we got? Okay, we got 2 minutes to go. I've marked out all my level. Oh, I have not checked the higher time frame though. I must check the higher time frame. But I have indeed marked out all my levels. See, that's nice. That's nice. This was a trade I could have done. It's fine. It is what it is. But 2 minutes to go. Sorry, I'm making sure I drink lots of water because I do indeed forget to drink water all the time. And I mean, sure, I've been running around. I haven't sat down once today. Wow. But we're good. We're good. We're ready. It's good to keep the brain working on point. Hey, Dom, what's up? You think there's a nice long coming? Well, I mean, London was bearish and recently, the past week, it kind of has. The past week, New York has been a reversal of the London session. Well, especially in the AM session. Just from the last week. Just speaking last week in particular. Obviously, that doesn't always happen. New York can either be a continuation or a reversal. But yes. If that's Sandwood, wow. Oh, these gold levels. Ooh, so are you trading gold today, Bob, or what's the plan? You're only 700 away from passing. Which I don't know. I need to like not get in my head now because then my brain goes, no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. But I mean, if there's a banger setup today, it would be pretty cool to try and pass today, but you know, also don't want to like risk all the potential profits that we now got. Okay, well, here's the 9:30. Everyone focus, or as Dom always says, attention, right? Right, Dom? I pay attention sometimes. 9:30. Okay, let's mark out these levels. So, okay, maybe I did this a little bit premature. No, we're good. We're good. 25665. Okay, you think it's going up to the middle of these two? Not bad. Hey, Phoenix Cloak, what's up? I don't trade gold. I started narrowing down the gold levels for Wolf. Oh, cool. How is Wolf doing? I haven't seen him in forever and ever and ever. Many trades, just long. Just long, that's it. End of story. Nice, that's valid. Oh, you guys are just gonna that's fine, whatever, just leave me. I'm joking. Have fun, guys. I'm reporting myself to taking retiring in the Cayman Islands. Hi, Mr. Blueberry. Why? Sorry, I feel like that just went whoosh over my head, but what's up? How are we doing? How's everyone doing? How's everyone's week been going? Is it possibly a really bad idea to do this before news? What news is this anyways? Oh, this is PMI. Oh, shoot. And what's this? I don't know if that one's as important, but the 9:45 looks quite important. Okay, so is anyone trading before news? 15 minutes till news. Yeah, exactly. I'm going to my Discord to have a crash course on finding these proper levels. If you're interested, I'll be there in about 5 minutes. There we go, guys. Bob's gonna give away some secret sauce if anyone is interested. I obviously can't join because I'm streaming, but it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, anyone that's part of the Discord, if you guys want a little crash course on Bob's secret sauce, you're more than welcome to go and join. Hey, Kanza, what's up? I usually like to wait for the first 15 minutes, but this looks almost like a juicy short up here, in my opinion. You think a short incoming? Let me also pay attention to see if this is going to become the first maybe not. Maybe? Potentially the first presented fair value gap? Let's see. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Still waiting. Nope. Never mind. I mean, it's an itty bitty baby one. We still have a little bit of time. It's a little itty bitty baby one. Does that count? Oh, damn. Okay, that's a very itty bitty baby one, but first presented is first presented, so we go with it. Oh gosh, this is so chaotic. I'm so sorry. I apologize for anyone whose eyeballs have to see all this chaos going on here right now, but... Well, that's a nice rejection. So, which I'm starting to maybe agree with you about the short. No, wait. It's gonna have to pop up further up. Yeah, it's not great with correlation to my GAN. Short, take out the lows, then maybe a reversal. I mean, there's still London low and the previous day. Yeah, yesterday's New York low sitting just below here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Am I lagging badly? Is it okay? Shoot. I feel like I'm lagging badly. I'm so sorry. Oh, this bad. What the heck, man? Okay, I'll just keep talking to myself. Let's see. I'm so sorry. I know it's lagging a lot. Adrian, what's up? There we go. Hopefully it's... Nope. I think it's still bad. Let me quickly check something. First of Feb, guys. First of Feb. Everyone just hold your breath until then. Let me turn the Wi-Fi off on my phone. Excuse me. There we go. Let's see. How is it going? Is there anything actually showing right now? Can you guys confirm? Yes, no, maybe? Can you even see me right now? There we go. Okay, is it back? Is it back? Let's see. I apologize about that. Okay, I think it's back. Oh man. Well, that's frustrating. So busy trying to get this Wi-Fi sorted that I missed this trade. Shoot, man. That literally would have wicked in and gone down in a minute. Urgh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We still have time. We still have time. That would have been so nice. Oh, sugar honey iced tea indeed. Okay, this is not a great start. Well, no, it is a good start. I'm glad to see that it would have respected all of my confluences like a dream. Yeah. I was gonna say, this actually technically is a B setup. I only see 2 confluences. I got the fair value gap and the VWAP. That's about it. Okay. But it's fine, no use crying over spilt milk. Stuff happens. We just move on. And get over it. Here's the 5-minute, by the way. Cool. Okay, literally would have tapped in. We're going Bob level again. This now has not created another fair value gap. Let's wait for now more confirmation. Let's wait for a little bit more movement. I am very bummed about that, but it's okay. Oh. Ayo, okay, sorry. I think there was a proper lag there. I apologize. Hopefully things are back to kind of normal. Let's see. I think Bob's having... Yeah. So Bob is in voice chat, by the way, if anyone here is on Discord and wants to join to hear about Bob's secret sauce. Oh, English is just depleted. It's Friday, people. That's all. It's just Friday. This massive flipping support level. Oh, no wonder. This is a huge support level. Okay. If it breaks, I think we're going down nicely. Huh. See, I said, oh, it might be going up. Don't take what I say. Clearly. Oh, good grief. Okay, waiting for their... Dom, you still think this is gonna go up? I still suspect that it might take out the London low and this New York low and then go to the buy side. Just a suspicion. Right, let's not say I predict it's gonna do this or it will do this. I just suspect it could do that. Hey Nadia, P&L for the month. I'll have to check because the first 2 weeks of Jan were not great. Yeah, first 2 weeks of Jan were not okay. If I'm not mistaken, so I think the first week of Jan was close to like break even. Nothing crazy, but break even. Second week of Jan was red. I think I was down like $300 the second week of Jan. Last week was up, and yeah, this week has been quite nice. I'm up $1,500 this week. Aw, James is back. Aw, what's up? How you doing, Jamesies? Are you good? Anyways, here we go. Of course, I'm waiting. When broke me back. Awesome. 300 for the week isn't too bad. Well, oh, thank you. You're an idiot, like I said. And now this week, up 1,500. Hey, Funhouse, thank you. Yeah, so now we just continue. That was such a nice rejection. I really thought that this was going to go further down to the London low, but unfortunately not. Let's see. Jen, I'm gonna go buy one next month. Ooh, talent. Which one you? Oh, sorry. Let's rephrase that. Which prop you gonna buy? Use. Well, buy from. Very eager to see how you improve as a trader, and hopefully I can learn a thing. Oh, I appreciate that. Well, let's see. Right, you can always. I always think there's room for improvement. We're back into that 930 range. Bounded right through that first presented, so that was cool. Let's see now. This could... Dom, I agree. This could now go to the buy. Let's be quiet. Let's be quiet. Let's wait for confirmation. It's nearly news. It's nearly news. Literally in 2 minutes. So I'm going hands off for the next 2 minutes, waiting for news. Maybe nothing happens. Maybe it's amazing. Talent, trade the pool. What? What the heck is trade the pool? I've never heard of that. That's interesting. Okay then. Also, OTT, I see you here and you're not even talking. What's up, OTT? Are you good? Are you focused? I feel like you're locked in. Sorry. Ignore me. You carry on. You do you. You stay locked in. 665. Okay, I'll mark it out for you. Zone 665. Here's Dom's level. Let's see. Little break below. Looks like there's some sell pressure going on here. Okay, we are a minute away until news. Let's see what this does. Oh, it didn't break as high on ES. Oh, it did not break as high on ES. No, this is going up, guys. Yeah, here we go. Here's news. Damn, that was some crazy buy pressure there to start with. Oh, damn, look at ES. Whoa. Whoa, okay, okay. ES is bumping. ES is so much stronger than NQ right now. No, don't worry, OTT, you carry on. It's a prop firm. Trade the pool. I've never... Apparently... Huh? I've never heard of that prop firm. Yo, is it called the pool or is it called Trade the Pool? Hey Kim Kim, what's up? How's it going? Okay, ES is a lot stronger than NQ right now. Amazing. Okay, let's see. Trade the... Yo, I'm like, what? I've never heard of that. I kind of want to go and look it up, but I'll have to look it up after the stream, or else I can tell you for a fact the Wi-Fi is going to have a little mini E freak out. Anyways. Talent, trade the pool. Okay, I'm going to have a look after this because I'm now curious. I've never heard of it. There was a lot of drama for not much to happen there. Just saying. Just saying. As I said that, it then dropped solidly. Awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. Cool, I'm... Just cool. Just cool. Let's see where this goes. Ah, thanks OTT. Let me know what you find. Are you waiting until the 10 news? It's cool. I think it's Canadian based. Apart from what you're currently running with, or you private? Are you asking me or talent? Because I'm currently using top 1 futures. Yeah. Yeah, I'm currently using top 1 futures. That's my thing. Is this even working? Why? There we go. Okay, there we go. Sorry. It was having a moment. It's back to working. Heard about top 1, yeah. Still can't be using this prop right now. Why? OTT? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Okay, so OTT went and checked out Trade the Pool. Lux, this is my first eval. I'm $600 away from passing. Which, yes, low-key feels like there's now a lot of pressure on it. But in the same breath, I must just remind myself, if it does go backwards, it's all part of it, right? Setbacks happen. You can't rush it. Someone earlier was being a little bit judgy, going, oh, you've been trading for a year and haven't passed an eval. I was like, that was mean, but whatever. Oh, yes, that's fine. Hey, Driven, what's up? How's it going? I don't know if top 1 lets people new, so use it. Oh, it should, talent. I don't see why top 1 wouldn't. I actually don't know. Takes a lot of time. Yes, please. That's with your knowledge, OTT. Why should we stay away from TTP? I like that. Brother Josh, what the... F the nays. Love that. Sorry, I'm low-key. Well, no. I'm waiting to see what direction this goes. I'm hands off until then because this kind of looks choppy right now. And I know for a fact that chop does not work for my strategy. You have to, unfortunately, you know, you can't force the market condition. That was not English. You can't force the market conditions to be right for you. Sorry, someone came to say hi.
Hi.
I'm curious what the worst one was. Phoenix? What? Okay, OTT, explain. So this has to be the worst prop I've ever seen. The rules are cheeks. The price is even worse. Yeah, good. Hope all good with you. Yeah, Drew, I can't complain. Can't complain. Daniela, I hope you're good. I'm curious what the worst one was. First, the rules are horrible. I can think of 10 props better than that and better pricing. Ace the game, thank you, thank you. The way I see it, as long as you're in it for the long run, I believe you'll do great. Keep going. Been hearing a lot of things about crypto, especially XRP. Oh. So I don't trade crypto, but I'm not anti-crypto. I think that's it. I am very much, maybe you can call me naive or whatever, but I'm very much a firm believer of everyone, you do what works best for you, right? You do what works best for you. Ace the game, XRP holder here, worth it. Oh, there we go. Dien. I apologize if I say anyone's name like disgustingly wrong. I really do apologize. Oh shoot, look at that. Okay, this first presented is not being, it was respected once. Now it's just been disrespected completely. I mean, this is coiling. This is literally coiling right now. Awesome. Okay, I wonder if it's waiting for news at 10. I see there's another news. I thought that the 9:45 news was going to be the big news, but apparently not. Maybe 10 will bring something. This is literally coiling. It's just getting smaller and smaller. Bitcoin is rude. Why? What did Bitcoin do? What did it do to you? Must I give it like a stern talking to? As I'm putting in, price just bottomed out under $2. I put more in. Ooh. Nice. I mean, buy the dip, right? Okay, so it's like profit target of 6%, already sketchy. Then there's two options, beginner and advanced. Beginner is more expensive. You get like 2% daily loss, max 4%, and doesn't have a time limit. It's $60? Good grief, okay. For 5... Sorry, that hurt my brain reading that. Damn, OTT. Okay, so I hope that kind of answered your question. Talent, did that answer your question? Or, I don't know. Yes, but essentially, don't do it. It sounds shocking. There's a lot of other options. Just saying. Violin I know is, I think, worldwide, and Violin is a highly not sought after. What am I trying to say? I'm losing it today. It's a good prop firm. I was trying to sound smart about it, but it's fine. It's a good prop firm. The only downside is the fee. The what fee? There's a fee. Once you pay that fee though, Violin is actually quite cheap. Sign-up fee, maybe? It might be the sign-up fee. Yeah, I must say, I think that's the only not great thing about Violin, but otherwise, Violin is actually quite cheap. And really good. And this prop makes me want to say bad words, damn OTT. What's your best recommendations for prop firm? Nadia, which ones? Oh, for what in particular? CFDs, futures, what are you trading? OTT will probably be able to help you a little bit more, but you know, I might be able to throw some of my sense into that conversation. I know people who use it. It's not a scam. No, but it is expensive. Demo funded next. Myros. Boat funded. Top one. Alpha Capital. I can keep going. So goat funded is good? Damn. Anyways. Oh, thanks for the new subs, guys. Okay, we're still coiling. I'm waiting for this to go. I think we're gonna be waiting for the 10 news, but that's okay. Button platform, FTMO, fund next, and go fund multiple times. Damn, OTT, I should have spoken to you ages ago. I wonder if I can still maybe get in with them. Goat funded offered. I even sent something on Discord, and Boomman was like, no, it's fixed. Don't go near it. So I was like, oh, okay. Damn, I could have been affiliated with Goat funded. It's 500. I don't know what those fall into. I'm relatively new. Oh! I don't actually know. OTT, is that futures? I feel like that's futures. The US 500. The US 500 the same as S&P 500. Sorry, now we're learning together. Oh, just the C. Okay, valid. That's valid. That's valid. It's CFDs. Ah, there we go. Sorry, see. We're learning together here. It's the best part. We learn everything together. I love it. I mean, that would have been a win, but it would have been a very sketchy win, which is not great. Struggling to break below, struggling to break above. Hoi. That being said, I want to quickly check this out. I'm not taking this because it still feels like it's in a no trade zone and this could wick out. Shoot, that being said, this does have my 3 confluences, but I feel like I'm potentially too late. And it's nearly news. Okay, so I can't do it regardless. It's nearly news, not worth it. It's fine. Ah, there we go. Thanks, OTT. Trade the pool is a one-time fee. Ah, I see. What about fun in there? Something I'm going with them since I've heard good things. Go have fun. My call on what in particular? Go have fun. On what this is gonna do. Or are we talking about prop firms now? Let's see. This may have missed me by a wick. Waiting for it to break above. Okay. We are 2 minutes out from news, so I can't do anything until then. Just because that's risky. I know some people do it. Props to you. Get it? We're talking about prop firms. Damn! That was for my lame joke. Okay, moving on. I think I'm funny. Point is, let's go back to this. I see we are going to the buy side now. So yeah, I guess it appears to be a reversal from London. We just took out this open for the 5-minute open. Cool. Rejected off of it. It did theoretically take that. I don't know if this might retest it one more time though. Nah, I think we're going up. Hey, Dom, I'm paying attention. They told me to get a proper job, so I said which firm. Hey, Nidhi, I love that. That is so cool. First one I tried, but customer service wasn't helping me log in. No, I couldn't even make it past the login. That's all. Whoop whoop. I close. Oh, hey, whoop whoop, Dom. Well done. That is amazing. Big whoop whoop to you. Sure. Whoop whoop. Great fun. I think it's going bullish. Whoop whoop, Dom. Well done. Well done. Very, very good. Just for you. Whoop whoop. Whoa, check that imbalance. Okay. Here we go. That was that. This is the 10 candle. Nice, Dom. There's Dom levels gone. That would have been risky, but yeah, it's fine. How big is this? 32 points. Okay, I don't love this one. I mean, it has confluences for days, don't get me wrong. Just took out London High though. Gonna go to London opening. Not London High. I lie. If I retest this spot down, it's a little bit... I just want to say sketchy. Maybe sketchy is the wrong word. Hey, Dom, thank you, thank you. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Very big whoop whoop. That is an awesome trade. Well done. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy with that. Ah, there we go. Hey, Magetsu, is that right? I hope I said that right. What confluences do you look for when trading? Oh, there's a few. So I look for order blocks, fair value gaps, liquidity grabs, VWAP, and I call them shelves. I think there's proper name for it, but I call them shelves. I look for all of those. Damn, up, up, and away we go. Holy guacamole. Cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. That's nice. See sticks move when we think not move fast. Me make money, me happy. True story. Thank you, that's hilarious. How long have you been trading for? Hey Tom, what's up, Tom Riley? How goes it? Okay, now the news is done. Clearly it was waiting for the news to have some proper movement. I could have gotten in there. Well, to be fair, I could have gotten in there, but that would have been a little bit risky. Needed to wait for confirmation. We now have confirmation. That being said, I might need to wait for it to do one retest first before we have confirmation. Sorry, I have hiccups. But we're going. We've been stuck in a 4-hour range, so waiting for one side to be taken. Basically, Fluzz, and taking the correct amount of contracts. Yeah, taking the correct amount of contracts, thanks OTT. Helped a lot. Skyscraper, you were right, bullish, yeah. On and off for 2 years, but only took it seriously since I was let go 3 months ago. Hey, nice. Okay, but you had a good idea about, or decent idea, let's say a decent idea about trading before then. So now you're doing this full time. Is that not like quite a lot of pressure? Sorry, I'm like asking super personal questions here, but just curious. Is it not a lot of pressure? Bob level to bob level, nice. Okay. Yo, just missed the bob level here. That would have hurt. Bob to bob. Nice, nice, nice. And now we go. Let's see if we're gonna get a little bit of a retest here. Like I said, this now is just too big. I can't get in on it. unfortunately. So the one thing I've been looking at, when it has a rejection like this off of a bob level, it might come back to tap into this 5 minute again. Let's see, I very much stand to be corrected, but this could come back to retest and then continue. Wonder if it's going to take out Asia High and London High. I mean, it's pretty probable, right? That was now taken, tapped into that little bit of an order block. So OTT, you said it's stuck in a 4-hour range. Let me go check out the 4-hour. Let's just hide everything so that I don't have to give you guys a flash warning, right? Oh no. Oh, ew. Yes, my foundation is solid. Form pressure, but it's make or break. I either sit around waiting for someone to hand me a job, or I do trading and upskill myself while applying for jobs. Valid, Nadia. Yeah, that's a really good way of looking at it as well. Oh no, holy Wi-Fi. Just taken there. Oh, we are just stuck here. Okay. Let's go back to the 1 minute, seeming as this is just having moments now. Okay. When we look for key levels, do you only go so far back, or? It's, elaborate on that one, please? When you look for key levels, English, nailed it. When you look for key levels, do you only go so far back, or are any viable? So I check out, oh, sorry, the brain kicked in when I read it again. I check out the 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour charts. A lot of people have different ideas about which charts work for them, and you must have a look at specific charts to get different ideas. But yeah, those are just the ones I tend to look at. Thanks, Forex, with MRGC. What's up? There's liquidity, yep. So, like I said, unfortunately, this is too large for me to take. Just saying. Like I said, that wick is giving me 5 minute. Oh, Wi-Fi, come on, man. Isn't, if I don't make it, what if I actually... Hey, Bohara, yes I am South African, sorry. I have South African Wi-Fi as well, can you tell? So moody. I just wanted to get confirmation on a higher time frame. Why are you doing this to me? Why do you hate me? Why is this necessary? Do I like the song Playdate? I don't even know that. Bohara, are you South African? Where are you from? Oh, interesting. Oh, you're pretty new. Welcome, welcome. Listen, to anyone that is new, by the way, there is a Discord. You guys, please feel free to come and join. You're more than welcome to. Everyone is welcome. If you have questions, no question is dumb. Believe me, I have asked some real stupid questions. There's no such thing as a stupid question when it comes to the charts. Just saying. There we go. South African as well. Hey, Boha, there's a few South Africans here. What area are you from? I think he doesn't want me to get a payout. OTT, I hear that, but that's okay. How close are you? That's a very big imbalance over there on the 5 minute. Oh, there's that imbalance. You can actually see it. Drops down, but again, like I said, the problem is, look at this. Freaking 40 points. I mean, it's possible, but yeah, it is possible. It is possible. It's A plus. It's just, I don't like how big it is, but it's fine. I want to know how to operate if I become highly profitable. Keeping it a secret part is the hardest because I'm a wear my heart on my sleeve kind of person. Aww, Lydia, that's so sweet though. You spend the inside of that sleeve. Yeah, hide it away. Mzansi for sure. Yeah, 100%. Bounce between Joburg and Pretoria. Oh, nice. Cool. So I actually came from Pretoria. I'm now KZN side of the world. I need $500 across 3 accounts, so just one trade. Oh my gosh, OTT, seriously? I mean, I'm using them and everything is great. What was the issue? Is it, sexy Africans? What's up? Welcome. No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Oh, thanks for subscribing, Akuga and Mr. GC. Cape Town over here. Hey, I love it. All the South Africans coming. I love it. Do you know how many South Africans are in the Discord? It is so cool. Like I said, guys, feel free to join. Oh, this makes me happy. Sorry. I feel like this is valid.
Nice.
Very valid. Here's a tip. A plus isn't the formation, it's also the risk management. The stop loss is huge. Is that formation? The formation is A plus, but yeah. That is, I mean, like I said, the formation is definitely A plus. I have fair value gap, first presented fair value gap. I have shelves, 2 shelves to be fair, actually. And I have a bit of a bob level. I have like 4 confluences, but for it to drop this far down, I am nervous. I take the buy, close my eyes and set a super wide stop, go for the young negative R. I'm learning under TJI makes it so much more simpler to understand than most I've seen. Oh, that's good. As long as it makes sense to you. I mean, I don't mean the compliments. Okay, now explain. OTT. The way it formed itself. Okay, I'm gonna need you to explain a little bit more. What do you mean by that? Confluences aside, what's the chart been telling you? Oh, shoot. You make me all nervous. I think your setup is far and gone if it's so far from your zones. Okay, let me do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. No, not that. Messed around there, sorry. When in doubt, zoom out. Let's check if the Wi-Fi plays ball. Okay, it's playing ball. Tapped into bob level. Wanted that bob level. That's not bad. Go like that. Here is this. Okay, 5 minute. Done. Here is the 50% of the first fair value gap here. But what is this telling you? Okay, there's the 5 minute. Let's check the 15 minute. Close there. Tapped into a little bit of an order block. Sorry, I'm just talking to myself. Don't mind me. Ooh, it is right by relative equal highs here on the 15 minute. Clearly it's struggling to break above it. Okay, but didn't have a break of structure. We had a change of character here, but then not followed by a break of structure. This is a W formation. Interesting. Okay. 3, 4, 5. If it comes down again, that's quite good. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I'll just wait for the research. If it's proper to you, then keep it. But is this a trade you would be okay to lose? If not, don't take it. Wait for the retwist. Sorry, I'm now going higher time frames. Let's get confirmation. 1 hour is created a teeny tiny bit of an inverse fair value gap there on the 1 hour. Tiny. It's very small, but it is there. Created there. Cool. Clearly there's a lot of resistance going on above here. Clearly, this is not, no, it's not. Ha! I nearly said, is this all-time high? Whoa, there's a lot of resistance going on around here. When this breaks, it's gonna be very interesting. It is going slowly, slowly up, up, up. Okay, that's the 1 hour. Let's go back to the 1 minute now. Sorry, flash warning, everyone. Be aware, things are gonna go crazy. There we go. What if I put it on for 1? What number? Take a breath. You've got this. You're a great trader. Trust your analysis. And only take the trade when the market gives you a reason to. No, that's valid. That is valid. Wait for it to give confirmation that it's going to actually listen how you want it to. I could be sneaky. I could be sneaky. If it goes down here and starts respecting how I want it to, I could always mark it in as well. Anything's possible. Let's see. If it reaches that far down, it's about to hit this huge imbalance. This is a huge imbalance. I'm curious to see how it respects it. Let me just mark it out. Do you guys see this volume imbalance right here? I'm curious to see what it does here. Okay. Oh no, Papacito, what happened? Tell it to be nice. What the heck, man? This is just for you. I'm sorry. I do thoroughly apologize. OTT, are you looking for, I want to say longs. What the heck? Let's see. Sorry. I saw what someone posted on the Discord. I'm having a good giggle. Has anyone taken a trade yet, by the way? I know Dom has, but he's now left. Is anyone in this? Slow down. And faster. This is what you want to be seeing. This is accumulation. Papacito, no, it's just sad music because it's sad. Sad news, I'm sorry. I'm not looking for anything. We're in a higher time frame range. I'm gonna try trade in higher time frame consolidation waiting. Oh damn, okay, OTT, so you're just waiting. I trade small caps. Waiting for pullback to ride bull. Hey, Lukey. Me too. Damn, that was quite a hectic rejection right off there. I don't think it's going to pull back quite as far as I wanted to before it goes up. I think it's going to start pushing up on ES first before it's going to start going now. There we go. Damn. What a rejection off of that imbalance. Holy moly. I also refer to ES. It can also help invalidate trades. Hey, I said ES before I even read that noise. Particular market, I'm staying out till Monday just because the markets have been crazy. I'm not used to them moving like this. That's valid. Going down to 646. Then up. Hey, that would be nice if it did. Just saying. Hey, on, what's up? 35 is about to turn bear. Last chance basically for me. Oh no, Lukey. Shoot. Look at how it respected this volume imbalance. Whoa. Whoa, that was insane. Here we go. It's driving me absolutely insane that it's stuck at 59. Sorry, I'm looking at the subscribers. It's driving me crazy. Oh, it's okay. It's like, oh guys, don't forget to press that like button. The more we can make this amazing community grow with amazing people like yourselves, the better. It's nice to find loving community. Anyone that's not loving isn't allowed, just saying. I will be strict with that. If you guys are mean, you're out. We are here to love and support one another, not just... That volume imbalance was nice, but it was hard to enter. No, 100%. You would, yeah. I use NinjaTrader. Oh, nice. Hey, Reggie, can trade? What's up? How's it going? God, this volume imbalance was freaking chef's kiss. Whoa. Whoa! Finally, we broke above. Damn. See, don't say I don't learn things. Holy guacamole. Listen, it doesn't always respect volume imbalances, but it's nice to be aware of where they are. Ironically, volume imbalances are also sometimes one of my confluences, because sometimes it does this. What even is this? Did it take out that liquidity now? What zone is this? No, not yet. It's... Did it? Like the 1 hour? Oh my gosh, finally, but it's about to tap into this bearish bear value gap at 6.6. Cool. Wow. 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 Okay. Back to the 1 minute. Let's see, just wow. This was insane. No FOMO in trading. FOMO stands for falling on my own. Oh! Like, that's sad, but it's really good. But you're right. Don't let FOMO win. You stick to your plan. Stick to your rules. I think that's always the most important part, right? Stick to your plan. Stick to your rules. We love bear value gaps. Yeah, it was at 6.6, hey? Yeah, so it's right here. Let me actually just make a little... Wow, it's right here. Okay. I'm gonna have to wait and see if it respects it or not. Because this could be where it starts to go bearish. I haven't quite tapped into it yet, though. I would have really wanted to see it. Oof. Oof. Okay. This is not quite an A+ setup. This is a B setup. I guess there's the shelf there, but no. Now this is gonna continue up. This is gonna tap in. Let's see. Ah, finally, there we go. Oh, we broke that 59 level. Okay, expecting a push up until 790. Okay, so the middle of the fair value gap, is that what you're expecting? Where's the MACD? I don't use MACD. TP774. Okay. The A+ setup get downgraded. Oh no, this is just, it wasn't an A+ setup, it was like a B setup, so not great. Yep. Hey, Geordie, right? It's an old new daily opening. Oh, thank you. I'm up $77 over. Hey, nice though. Well done, talent. But yes, FOMO's bad. I'm a professional. I swing and scalp and use almost every tool and every indicator, sometimes 4 at a time. Reggie, isn't that like overwhelming? Seven, 774. You've got this, Geordie. Also, Geordie, are my levels like really off or are they okay? Also, yes, how wild are Bob levels? I love Bob levels so much. I love my Bobby levels. Ah, sorry. Woke up with a headache today. Oh, it's retesting nicely. It basically hit in there though. I'm watching ES. NQ is stronger though. One, two. It's better. It tapped into the levels on ES though. I think it's gonna start going back up. Or I could be wrong. Never mind. Shut up, Maya. But you're nice with the techniques. Oh, thanks, Reggie. I can. Well, I can. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah. It's a work in progress, but it's work in progress. You learn something every single day. 10:15 AM breaker. Expect support to go back up in case it's tapped before 7. And just how far down it's going to retest to. Hit that little bit of support on ES. Yeah. It might start pushing up now. I know I've been saying that, but tapped into the shelf on ES. Tapped into the fair value gap on ES. It could potentially go a little bit further. There's another fair value gap and another quote-unquote shelf. Hi, baby. Wait up. Jordy, are you still in this? My grandpa said if you're looking for red flags, you'll find them. If you're looking for green flags, you'll find them. So only pick a few deal breakers. Like I should apply this lot. Oh, I quite like that. I like that a lot. I love you so much, but damn, your breath stinks. You're the sweetie because you're cute. the main characters here, let's just be real. You guys are only here to see him now and then when he pops up. I know how it goes. But Nadia, I absolutely love that. That is one of my new favorite quotes. My favorite quote, by the way, is the... I can't tell you which golfer. I know people have told me who it is. I keep forgetting. But there's a golfer who said, wow, you get... Oh, he was in an interview and someone said, wow, you're so lucky. And he said, it's funny. The more I practice, the luckier I get. I think that's amazing. It's basically saying it has nothing to do with luck. It's to do with the amount you practice. Then the more accurate and the better you'll be. Oh, it was a nice pullback on ES. Not on NQ though, seriously. Rarig wat die moed. Is struggling to break above. Let's see what ES starts doing here. Everyone is his... pretty sure Topper is 790. Everyone has his own main character. Most don't realize. To be fair, I never used to think I was the main character. I always thought I was like one of those NPCs on the side, just kind of going along with everything. Ah, flip. Oh well. They'll call you crazy until it works. Then you're a genius. Ooh! I do like that. I do like that a lot. All these inspirational quotes. I love it. Get you all pumped for the weekend. Jordy here. Jordy, you're here, right? Pump up the jam. Pump it up. I'm so sorry. Hopefully that gets stuck in your head for the whole weekend. And you guys can thank me. Okay. You're going around the mall or whatever. Well, I say mall. It's not payday yet in South Africa. But if you're going... watching TV, you just have pump up the jam stuck in your head. I apologize, I made an error. It was 8:10, the new daily opening gap. Oh, okay. So you think it still might go up to 8:10? Is it a 1? I apologize if I'm not saying that correctly. I want to break free. Double top. Lost volume? Sorry, I'll stop talking. I'm talking a lot.
That's what she said.
Oh, good grief. Okay. Now I have to play it on spot. You are welcome. Yes, I have to go to sleep until 8:10. Okay, cool. Let's see. It's now going down on ES. So close to Geordie's level. What the heck, man? Oh, Geordie and Bob are still in the call. Damn, y'all are just chit-chatting away. So Geordie's not here. How rude. Just kidding. Okay. Welcome again to anyone that is new. I hope you guys are having an amazing Mac. How are you? Did you say hi earlier? You did not. No, I'm joking. What's up, Mac? How are you? How's it going? I hope you're doing amazing. This is now dried up. Okay. We still have time. The volumes died a little bit. I would have had a lucky... No! Again, lucky is the wrong word. I would have had a potential winning trade here. If I'd left a runner, it would not have worked out, but that's fine. This one I almost want to say would have been lucky. I had this set up. This would have wicked in and gone up. That would have been quite cool. But again, this was in a bit of a consolidation phase. I needed confirmation that we were actually headed, because I've done that before. I'm like, oh, we've broken out, and then it just came right back down. It was basically manipulation. Now we got confirmation. Actually wanted to get into the full range of this, but that Imbalance was there. Hey, Geordie. Whoop whoop for Geordie. I don't think Geordie's here right now, but whoop-de whoop whoop for Geordie. Geordie Johnsters. It's now tapped into this fair value gap. I'm leaving this here as well to see. 810. So our one says 810. Let's see if it gets there. Sorry, I have so many things marked out right now. That was now taken. That is invalid. This is now also done and dusted. That was London Open. Sorry, I'm cleaning up my chart slightly so you guys don't hate me. Wait, then I feel like I am in a... Are my levels way off right now, Jodie? Into the stream. Oh, nice. Real, it's alive. It's alive. 1025 and bullish breaker should provide support if price visit 755. Okay, wait, this is for Geordie. Just for you, whoop whoop. Well done. Very, very good. Nice trade. Shoot. This is a tad bit close. Okay, let's see. Looks like a retest before bullish move. Still hasn't broken above on ES. I think it wants to though. It's just struggling. Problem is that's too high. Whoopsie daisies. And it's running away without me. Why? Oh, FOMO, you pain in the booty. Good grief. Yo, FOMO's a problem. FOMO's a problem. Okay, I'm gonna just sit on my hands for a little bit. Because I can feel myself wanting to just jump in, and that's a problem. You can't do that. Stick to your rules, guys. Can't just jump into things because you have FOMO. That's going against all the rules. Have your rules, stick with them. I'm gonna set this up and hate myself, but I'm gonna set it up. Still hasn't broken that high on ES. NQ is now getting stronger than ES. It's a nice fair value gap on ES, but again, I don't think this is gonna break too far below 6.6. Oh, there's that 6.6 level. Oh, right where I put the damn marker for 6.6. Oh my word. Can you tell it's Friday? Can you tell it's Friday? The brain is malfunctioning. Like, solidly malfunctioning right now, but that's okay. Friday indeed. Too late to close. If you wish to see inside a soul and know a man, don't bother analyzing his ways of silence. Talking with you can get better results. If you just watch him laugh, if he laughs well, he's a good man. What does laughing well mean? Like, if he has like a hearty laugh, or if he laughs a lot, you know, what is the definition of laughing well? Like, does he have a nice laugh? If he finds everything amusing? Like, does that make sense? Like, I understand the quote, don't get me wrong. You know, but is it trying to say if it's a man that finds joy in a lot of things, And that's really nice. I like that. Sorry, you came here with such a nice quote and I'm like analyzing it. Clearly, it's what we do here. We analyze everything. Which I guess actually you can't complain about that. You have to analyze everything. Make sure you understand everything. I quite like that. Anyways, sorry. Sorry for ruining your awesome quote there. I apologize. Yeah, again, for anyone that is new, welcome, welcome. This is specifically for you guys. Here we go.
Hi. Hi.
OTT, you leaving? Why? Why are you leaving, OTT? Check out that high on ES. Still in this fair value gap. Cool, 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 cool. I wanted to say something. Oh, for anyone that's new, welcome. There is a Discord. Please feel free to join. The link is in the description below. If it doesn't work, you can even pop me an email and I can send it to you directly. That's fine. If you want, there are some specials going on. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya. All the affiliates are in the link below, except obviously Funding Ticks. I think I took that out, but Funding Ticks is no more. But yeah, everything else good to go. Oh, last thing, sorry, well, Price is deciding what it wants to do with its life. Last thing is, if you guys want control of the memes, you guys can have control of the memes. There is a membership. There is a membership. And then you guys can control the memes. Which I'm scared to say, but yes, you guys then have full access to them. It means that life is hard on everyone, but a man who laughs is best when he can. He's living his best life and is a good soul. Oh, it's a quote by more depth, but I've paraphrased it to fit the text limit. No, that's valid, Nadia. Okay, I do dig that though. That is really, really sweet. That's really wholehearted. I love it. This price action is actually giving me a headache right now. Shoot, man. I'm waiting for a proper pullback off of this bearish fair value gap. Excuse you, sir. Sorry, my dog's just in the background snoring his head off. Well, this is quite nice. I don't know if it's gonna pull back this far though, but this is quite nice. Okay. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Do I know ICT model 2022? One, apologies, I missed that. I know of it. OTT loves it. I use some aspects from ICT, yes. But the exact model of the 2022 one, there's a few people here that do indeed use it. Geordie and OTT being the two that do indeed use it. Let's see, 10:43. Okay, 15-minute or new 15-minute candles about to form. One, is that what you use? You use the ICT 2022 method or model? Sorry, not method, model. Oh no, Wi-Fi. Is it lagging? Is it okay? I feel like it's lagging a bit. Is it lagging? There we go. It might be lagging. I'm so sorry. No, there we go. That might be better now. My headband's on its own mission. There we go. Sorry. But we're good, we're good, we're good. Let's do this. Come on, price action. Come on, price action. Like I said, it is kind of trapped in a bearish fair value gap right now. Is it going to reject off of it? Is it just low-key trapped right now? Hey Samuel, what's up? How are you doing? Sorry, is the lag real? I'm so sorry. Yes, I used that one among with his other models, and yes, you're pronouncing it very loudly. Oh, thanks. Okay, I'm glad. Thanks a lot. Okay, here's 10:45, 15, oh, new 15-minute candle. Let's see if we get some movement. This is just consolidating right now. This is so much fun. What even is this? Hey, there again. What's up? Sitting on hands, stuck at work. That sucks. I'm sorry. I mean, this morning was an awesome trade. Nothing great. I had a setup here, but this volume imbalance over here just sent it. I wanted it to retest a little bit further down. Yeah, like I said, the volume imbalance just sent it, so that sucks. Nothing else clean has shown up for me. It just keeps running away. It doesn't retest the 50%, which would be my entries. So low-key, there's a little bit of FOMO going on, and also it's overextended right now. Which again makes me a little bit nervous, but yeah. Let's see what happens. I also don't want to make a dumb mistake now and give away... Well, I want to say give back profits that I made this morning. You know, I would much rather end in a happy green week and then just start again fresh next week. Let's see what happens, right? Things bring me back memories of my Wednesday wrecked. If I'm waiting all day, try to get in a pullback and it wrecks my account. See, that's scary, Witcher. I was about to ask, are you still there? Are you waiting for it to start dropping down? There again, yeah. Exactly, so I'm like, and right now, this is literally going sideways. This is literally just barcoding and going sideways. I can't trade this. I don't know if anyone here can. If you can, damn, well done. I don't know how to trade barcoding. Unless you're like a... I don't even know. How would you trade barcoding? I guess you could. Just enter on the wicks, I guess. Oh, here we go. Okay, we got a little bit of a breakout there. Sorry, as I zoomed in to check out the barcode. Wonder what we could buy with that. Sorry, I'm talking rubbish again. Hey, Alan, what's up? Had meetings and work and such. Haven't had anything on my elbow. Tried that short at beginning, got stopped for... No! Next day, lost 500 is my rules. Hey, good. Okay, good. I come and go. Okay, cool. Thank you for joining, regardless, right? Okay, as long as you stick to your rules, right? That's what's important. I think sticking to rules is number one. Sounds like a plan. You're up right now, so if you're in a position where the market has no negotiation with you in order for you to enter again. Yeah. So I am low-key sitting on my hands. Let's see, this might actually start to move really well soon, which will be ideal, because then we can maybe get in. Maybe we can get in during the retest back down. Again, price action dependent. I know it's also Friday, right? I'm assuming this is why some people don't enjoy trading Fridays. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know a lot of people have the rules of no trading Monday and Friday. Is it because the market's a little bit less predictable? Hey, it's going up to that 810 level, Awan. Unless it gives you a brilliant set. No, Nadia, I agree with you. I agree with you. Don't let the FOMO take over. It's so hard sometimes. Just looking at this, I'm like, oh, I could have. But it's fine. It's fine. Hey, Alan. Sorry, I don't know what you're asking. I'm so sorry. I don't speak. Is that Spanish? Platformer. Oh, you're asking what platform I'm trading? I'm trading the... Well, okay, let's just give you everything. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm using top 1 futures prop firm, trading a 50k eval account. Yes. Hey, Trader Duke Travels. What's up? How are you doing? How are you going? How are you going? Ooh, English. Oh my gosh. Cool. English depleted. Apparently, I'm done. What's up, Trader Duke? Let's just try English again. I think it's Portuguese. Oh, damn, I should know Portuguese. Well, I was never taught Portuguese, but I am half Portuguese, believe it or not. I mean, with this mob, yes. Yeah, half Portuguese. Aw, Trader Duke, that's so sweet. I appreciate that. How's your everything been going? So there it tapped into... It was a new daily opening gap. Hey, Awan. New daily opening gap there. Might go up a little bit higher. Let's see it tap into Bob level. That would be quite nice. Oh, hey, Apple Butter. Yeah, well, it was during London session. Nothing great in New York yet. There was one great presentation down there. It didn't come back to get me. That imbalance was in the way. Ugh, so rude. Pull back at lunch, then go up for power hour. Oh, interesting talent. Yeah, Friday's a rough day. Mistake I've made is wanting to get that last good trade, and without fail, it has set me back. What? So Nadia, do you just not trade? Bob, I feel like me and you need to have like a. I want. No, I'm joking. He sounds super excited about it. Just saying. He hopped on just now and he was like, "This is ridiculous." So it sounds amazing. Yeah, no, you're getting us all hooked on your secret sauce. I'm sorry, I have to do this to myself there.
That's what she said.
Yeah, that was necessary. Anyways, moving on. Oh, thanks for the sub, Killer Bees Club. I apologize, I only saw that now. But anyways, did you make money? I made money on gold by 2.5. Oh, nice, Trader Duke. Yeah, so I'm up $460 today, so that's quite nice. During the London session, there was a very clean setup. I took it. It was great. Nothing clean has presented itself. Well, I lie. There was one clean move earlier, but it didn't come back far enough to tag me in. This is just running away. Check something. Would it have even tagged me in on ES? Oh, brother, look what a beautiful trade that would have been on ES. What the heck, man? ES is a lot stronger than NQ today. So ES is having beautiful pullbacks to the 50% level. Let's check here. Or 50% zone. This, yes. That potentially, let's zoom in there. May have missed me by a spread. Oh wait, if I drew this like a normal human being, it would have missed me by a tick. Yeah, okay, that would have missed me by a tick before going back up. That would have hurt my feelings. Oh well, moving on. Okay, so ES looks quite nice today. NQ, just not getting any pullbacks. Look at that, it's just going. So this was the clean setup here. That's that clean setup on ES that actually would have wicked it beautifully. Check, this volume imbalance over here is what it wicked into on ES before it just shot off. My entry would have been down here at 650. That also didn't retest far enough back down. And it just keeps running away. So watch the pullbacks between 11 and 1 p.m. Ooh, interesting time. Okay, let's see. Any travel plans, Nadia? You need money to travel, just saying. Oh my gosh. Would love to travel. Love to travel, but yeah, flights be expensive. Oh, thanks, Trader Duke. I appreciate that. Hey, Jordy, nice. Like the stream, use code TEACHMAYA at select stores now. I love it, Jordy. Thank you. Jordy's on this. Jordy, what did you think about the bob levels? I feel like I need to update the bob levels, so maybe I'll bug you this weekend and be like, give me one level, and then obviously I know how to measure out the rest, but yeah. Always make your analysis on ES. What's up, Michelle? How you doing? NQ is ranging in expansion and is setting up for breakout for a trend. On the 4-hour? Trader Duke, is that what you're looking at in specific? Hey Hassan, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? Everyone that's just joined?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Just for you guys, cause I love you guys, and you guys are so cool. Well there. Bob level to Bob level, that's quite nice. I feel like my Bob levels need to be a little bit more accurate, but for now they're working quite well. Okay, I must check my Bob levels. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, thank you. Or maybe, well, let's see. I might book it. When you become rich, you should absolutely do some travel content. You're gonna make. Oh, thanks, Lee. I appreciate that. Where would I even go first? I was thinking Thailand. Thailand looks like it could be quite fun. Samuel, happy Friday. Yeah, guys, happy Friday. I keep forgetting it's Friday. Aw, boo. That's a weird thing to say because it's Friday and I'm going, oh, boo, but you know, no more charts this weekend. I can backtest though, that's a lie. Why are you yelling? Damn. Anyways, Hassan, going great. How often do you trade live on YouTube? Every day, twice a day. Well, okay, every day South Africa, but I trade both London and New York session Monday to Friday. Yeah, so I'm here every day, twice a day, at your convenience. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Thank you. Finished the trend and entered into consolidation yesterday and now enticing more institutional interest as of today. And the next step is breakout for trend. Wyckoff theory. Oh, okay. Noted. Thanks, trend. But do you think it's going to be a bearish trend? No. Bullish trend, right? I think ES is going to fill its NWAG. Thailand is for sure a great destination. Very affordable and a culture. Exactly, right? What do I think of Bob levels? I think it's spiritual. My life will never be the same. Thank you. Thank you. That's how I feel, and everyone judges me because I get so excited about the Bob levels, and I'm just like, but they're amazing. They are so cool. Like you said, my life will never be the same, and they just always, I love them so much. Bob needs like a Nobel Prize of trading. We need to make like a Maya prize now and just give it to Bob. That sounds about right. Anyways, we're the lady boy. Yep. How do you identify the market trend for the day? Oh, Hassan, well, you go check out the higher time frame. So I'm on the 1 minute right now, which is obviously where I execute the trades. But in general, you go check out the 5 minute, 1 hour. No, sorry, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour charts. That's where I get a little bit of an idea of point of interest, trend for the day. But in general, I trade what's in front of me. I make sure I get my confirmations and confluences, and then I go from there. I'm just trying my absolute bestest to not let FOMO take over right now, because these charts are kind of just running away without me, and nowhere have I been able to get in. So that's fun. The Maya Awards. Heck yeah, Samuel. You don't think that'll be fun? We could have the best advice given. The creepiest comment. We all know who's that's going to, but anyways. That's so positive. Thailand. If you go to Thailand looking for that, you'll find it, but then there's food, great people, and amazing history inside. So do you know what I really want to do? I want to get a tattoo from the ancient temples in Thailand. I think that would be amazing. Oh, one. Who is Bob? Bob is one of the amazing community members here. He's actually been here since before I had 100 subscribers. Wow. So, that's wild. Bob was actually the one during a stream who was like, hey Maya, you just hit 100 subscribers. I remember that day like it was yesterday, because, I mean, it feels like it was yesterday. So yeah, Bob has been part of this amazing community since very long ago. Hey Trevan, what's up? How's your daughter doing? Your woman just talking. Oh, got it. Confirmation of confluences. Would you give a quick summary? Oh, sure, Alex. Okay, well. This New York session is not ideal. Can I show you the London session? Because this is just, it's going away without any retests. I could show you the trade I had set up, it just didn't come tag me in. Would have tagged me in beautifully on ES. But anyways. Okay, let's show you the London trade. There we go. Okay, so I apologize, I know this is a lot to be looking at right now, but here we go. So confirmation was that it was very much going bearish. Also, Bob level to Bob level. I love my Bob levels. I'm sorry. Bob level to Bob level. Now, the first thing was this hectic drop down. I saw this big drop down and I went, ooh, okay. That was the first thing you can see here. Then I drew it range to range. Now we get the confirmations. So this one, I had actually 5 confirmations for this specific trade, which was pretty wild. Normally I just need 3 for it to be an A+ setup. So number 1, I call it a shelf. I think there's a more correct term for it, but I call it a shelf. So number 1, I had the shelf. Number 2, I had VWAP. You can see VWAP was here. Number 3, there's a slight volume imbalance, very slight, with another shelf. 4 was a fair value gap, and number 5, I guess not so much a confluence because one wasn't so much protecting my stop loss, but it was very close to the next Bob level, and in general, it likes to go to the Bob level because it's a bit of a supply and demand zone. So I was like, okay. And you can see that my TP is right near the Bob level. So I actually left 2 runners. The first runner was at the Bob level. And okay, you can see where the second runner was. It was at the 618 level. Yeah, sorry. I hope that was a very quick explanation, but it gives you an idea of what I saw in this specific trade. This one would have been a win, but I didn't quite have as many confluences. It was more I was going with trend as friend. It would have just taken out. Sorry, I didn't take it, so it wasn't a trade that I took. But trend as friend, theoretically this Bob level again. I wanted it to bounce off of it. Just took out internal liquidity. But like I said, I mean, there was a bit of a fair value gap here. On the higher time frames, it probably would have looked a little bit better. But that's why I didn't take this one. Yeah, sorry. Back to the slow grind up that just isn't retesting at all. I forgot I was in a trade. It just hit my TP. What a rough life. Bob the OG. Ooh, I won. Okay, no, actually, why do you have a valid point there? How many indicators do you use for confirmation? Oh, indicator. I don't actually really use it. Well, I guess the fair value gap and order blocks and things like that are indicators head. Rips is worse to me. That's valid. Apple Butter. I feel like I'm missing out on the Bob list. No, Apple Butter. He was literally just in Discord telling Geordie about his levels. He was just on Discord. Apple Butter, if I get into a Discord chat with him this weekend, I will send you a message and be like, come join, okay? Oh no, I'm so sorry. That's quite funny. Better try, I think you might. You haven't gotten into any lungs. No, Shrivan. They didn't pull back into my 50% level. I had this one set up. Then OTT scared the living bejesus out of me, but there we go. I had this one set up, but it bounced off of this volume imbalance. Oh, are we gonna start having a pullback now? No ways, damn. Took a while. So yeah, I had this set up. It had a bunch of confluences, but didn't come back far enough. It would have been a winning trade on ES, just saying, but didn't come hit on NQ. Yeah, it hasn't retested any 50% level at all, so just kept running away. Came to say whoop, hey, OTT, what's up? One, you don't want to see it go above 850. Why is that? Her name resembles the Mayans. Oh, that's quite cool. The Bob law runs deep. Some say he was there when the first order block was created. That's hilarious. No indicators. Like just the only way. 3K payout, less flipping. Oh. Wait. Oh, did you get it? OTT? Yes. Whoop whoop. Well done. Oh no, that's okay. It's a win day anyways today. Oh, thank you, Shaban. I appreciate that. Hey, David G, what's up? Yeah, I can't complain. How are you doing? Yeah, it's just it hasn't given me any entries. It's been a bit of a pain in the butt, but apart from that, we're good. Trader Duke, am I using OBS to stream this? I am. Yes, I am. Okay, wait. Yeah. OTT, I know you did it.
That's what she said.
But I'm gonna do it again for you because it's well deserved. You get 2 whoops. No, NQ and ES was just mooning. Had to hop on why? I mean, it's still you got it right. Yeah, you're doing better than ever. Why? Our breakaway gaps as good as fair value gaps. One better than the other. Ooh. Actually, don't know about that one. That's a very good question. Okay, community here, everyone. Are breakaway gaps as good as fair value gaps? Is one better than the other? Yeah, always good to ask everyone. Like I said, if I don't know, that was a really good question. If I don't know the answer, someone in this amazing community is bound to know it. Can we get in on this retest? Nope. Potentially not. Oh. FOMO, you pain in the butt. So I'm trying to be like, oh, maybe I can get in here. Oh, maybe I can do this. Oh, maybe I can do that. It's not what you want to be doing. I also don't like the slow grind up, fast drop down. That's not ideal. You normally want a slow retest and a fast movement off of your confluences. Okay, so that's, yeah, I don't like what the market's then showing me there. Like I said, like this one, check. Fast move up, slow down, then fast move up. That's what you want to see, not this fast drop back down. So I need to wait for confirmation before I do something silly. Out of 6 trades, I'm 50-50. Okay, talent, that's it's okay depending on what's your RR. How many R's do you use with your strategy? Breakaway gaps are subtype of fair value gaps. There's different types of fair value gaps. Breakaway is one of them. Okay, so it's same. Does it hold more weight behind it or not really? But thank you for the answer, one. I appreciate it. Use breakaway gaps as confirmation for direction as well as momentum. No confluence is better than the other. Breakaway gaps are meant to be not traded, and fair value gaps is best when traded. So first, if you get a breakaway gap and then fair value gap, then it's best to take entry from the second fair value gap and not breakaway. What? See, this is interesting. Okay. I didn't know that. I'm gonna copy paste this. This is going in my notes. notepad. Okay. I'm copy pasting all of that. Done. Huh. Look at this now working out. Just when I said, I don't know about it. I expect a little bit more of a retest though. Let's see if it goes down from here. There, it's in the 50%. There, it's fair value gap. We have a little bit of a shelf there. Not quite an order block though, so this is a B setup. Definitely not an A plat. You could maybe argue the Bob level, but again, if you're having to try and find things, it's also not ideal. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, I have both set up because I'm curious. Thanks everyone. This has helped me a lot. It contextualized breakaway gaps to me, and I'm definitely going to apply this in my trading stuff. No, exactly. Like I said, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free. I will try my best to answer. If I absolutely butcher it or if I don't know, someone in this amazing community that's been trading for so much longer than me will most likely know the answer. 1,000 shares at 50. Damn, talent, that's a lot. The blue face ape, what's up? Yes, I am South African. Hi, how are you doing? Bro, that's such a good job on your win. Let's go. Yes, exactly. Last then made... Wait. But talent, you didn't answer how many R's is your strategy. Do you have a strategy? Maybe let's start with that. Do you use a specific strategy or not really? Listen here. So be nice about Limpopo. Limpopo's not that bad. I used to live in Limpopo. 150 marks the top of the daily bearish break. Oh, interesting. Okay. We're so close to the 4-hour rejection block now, finally. Thanks a lot, man. I don't trade my aim at all. Decided to look at a nice A+ and decided to take it. So OTT, that was kind of like a... Here we go. So this was a B setup, but apparently not bad. Tapped into the wicks on that shelf. Let's wait for some more confirmations. Loki looks a little bit stuck, but it's respected the 50% of that fair value gap quite nicely. One for 4, 10% risk. Yeah, okay, well, 1 to 4 is not bad, especially with a 50-50. That's really good. So you must then be up properly, right? Okay. Like I said, this is a B setup for me, so I'm not taking it. Hi, Ty-Day, what's up? I was also looking at YM today. Since NQ did not take the PDL and get SMT was stronger, I took intro and NQ instead. Oh, he's saying YM in the chat. What does it mean? It's an asset? I don't actually know which asset. OTT, what is YM? I know GC is gold. And obviously NQ is the Nasdaq futures and ES is S&P 500, but what is YM? I faced quite a lot of rejection. I met my wife. That's so mean. Yeah, I'm up about $400. Hey, that's good. Well done, Tyler. Talent. Oh my gosh, I'm malfunctioning. The brain's not braining anymore. OTT is high key. The trading. I love that so much. OTT, did you hear that? US 30. Ah, thank you. Hey, Shiraku Alexandru, what's up? I'm on the Nasdaq futures still. It's given me nothing. Oh, sad. Oh well, it's fine. I know, you should be proud. I'm actually drinking water like a normal human being, not just living off of caffeine. That being said, no, I ate an apple today. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm away, but... Anyways, it's like the cousin of NQ and ES. They're also correlated and can be used for SMTs. Oh, interesting. See, I didn't know that. Always learning new stuff. Yeah, I love it. I'm doing good here at work in a long trade right now, looking just like this is on synthetic. Ooh, okay, Ty J, that's not bad. Ty J, where are you from? US 30 or Dow Jones, top 30 US companies. Thank you. Helen, pinky at the brain. I'm pinky right now, aren't I? I am. Look, I'm wearing pink. Sorry. The trading. Yes. Yes, he did. You are the trading by. A little bit. Yeah. NQ's being a bit. I don't want to say mean. Hasn't given me an entry for New York at all. Which sucks. Oh well, it is what it is. I feel like you need a timeout for that one. That was rude. Anyways, I mean, it can be sometimes really clean. So, are you gonna start having a look at it, or yes, no, maybe? What are your thoughts on that then, OTT? Book of trend lines, shall not trade consolidations. If you be a moth to the flame of punishment. Nadia, I'm stealing that. I'm stealing that. Is that okay? Do I have permission to steal this? And potentially put it on my Friday quotes? Well, actually, I'll make like a Tuesday quote one. Friday I'll pop quotes. But I absolutely love that so much. That was amazing. That actually made my day. Cleaner sometimes try to take you to those two, and NQ is way too messy. We're out in the Caribbean, Jamaica. Hey, nice! You're the second Jamaican, by the way. No, maybe third. Yeah, we've had some people from Jamaica here before. It's super cool. In a 1 hour bearish order block, it might respect it or not. Oh, thanks back. Yeah, even here was the beginning of... No, not the order block. Sorry, I'm thinking about the fair value gap. Here, the 6-6 level was the beginning of the fair value gap, the bearish fair value gap. Idiot. Thank you. Yeah, like it was good. YM was lacking behind. So yeah, it was an A+. So from now on, I'll look at all three in I nearly said indices again. Indices. I always used to call them indices and realized my mistake and then felt super embarrassed. It's indices, guys. Say it correctly. How many hours do you sit behind the chart? Hassan, like 4 hours a day, basically. Minus weekends. Weekend I tend to try and touch grass, maybe do a little bit of back testing. So again, then I will sit behind, but I try not to sit for too long. It's always good to take a little bit of a break now and then, right? I was gonna say, I was just gonna be dreaming about the charts, but I've had plenty of dreams about these damn charts. Let's just be real. Sorry, that was...
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
People are so silly, sorry. Anyways, okay. Let's see if this would have worked out or would have hit my stop loss. Like, again, like I said, this would have been a B setup for me. And it is now consolidating, so that's great fun. It ran away without me. It's now consolidating. Would have been clean setup on ES, by the way, but it is what it is. Yes. Oh. Sorry, that was hilarious. Did you? Whoa, that's always truth there. Look at all the 3 pairs that picked the struggle one to drink. More like nightmares. No, talent, it's never nightmare. Well, it depends. Am I winning or losing in the trade? No joking. The amount of backtesting on NQ I'm about to do this focus on these 3 only. Yeah, OTT, cool. Do it, do it, do it. No, wait, what did I just miss? I mixed up the 2 different, sorry, let's do this. The amount of backtesting on NQ I'm about to do this weekend. Pray for me. Mac, I'm so keen though. Welcome to the NQ shot. Welcome. We have cookies. Anyways. Breaking Bad, time to cook, yeah. Okay, son, what strategy am I trading at the moment? So I use market auction theory as a strategy with ICT and SMC confluences. Sorry, that was a very quick description, but yes, it gives you an idea. Hey, Kim, what's up? You'll keep killing it. No, honestly, OTT's been on fire recently, and now you passed another one. You got a payout coming, right? Last time I checked with you on eval paper trading, seems you're doing well. Are you off you? Yeah, but no, I'm $600 something short of passing. Getting there though. Yeah, 1 step at a time. It's at a deciding point right now. I think this is gonna start dropping. I could be wrong, I suspect. Let's change the phrase there. I suspect this might start dropping down now. Damn, OTT! Look at you go! Aren't you just like a cool kid? I'm jealous. When I grow up, I want to be like you. I say, talking to the youngster of the group. Just saying. But anyways. But yeah, 100%. When I grow up, I want to be as cool as you are, OTT. Honestly, Bob, and I'm watching this going, this might now go level to level again. It's why I was low-key interested in this. I did actually say potentially a 3rd confluence if I was looking hard would be this Bob level, but if I'm having to look hard for it, maybe it's not ideal to take it. But hey ho, here we go. Down we go. Master Ogwe! From Kung Fu Panda, I love it so much. Okay, I can see that I'm starting to talk absolute rubbish. How old is OTT? He's gonna have to tell you that himself. I can't give away people's secrets. Okay, but this is gonna make me sad. Okay, no. Oh, thanks, Tachi. Well, we only took basically 2 trades. My average been like 3 trades a week. Nice, and you green all the way. You're 20, there we go. OTT is 20. I'm nearly a decade older than him. Gosh, way to make me feel old. It's fine. That's wild. Okay. Okay, I can see that talking rubbish is where we're at right now. Well, where I'm at right now. You guys are having proper discussions. I'm just tagging along and... Okay. Brain is malfunctioning. I'm gonna call it there for today. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I'm calling it early because FOMO is kicking in, which is a problem. Gotta stick with my rules. So, like I said, let's call it there. I'll be back Monday next week, or I guess Sunday evening, depending on where you live. I'll be back London and New York session. Let's do this. You guys are the best as always. Don't forget to press that like button. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya for everything. If you guys want control of the memes, there is a membership. I think that's everything. I'm done. Have an amazing weekend. I love you guys madly. There is also Discord. Don't forget that. I love you guys madly. Thank you for the support. I can't stress that enough. You guys are the best. I love you.